Hello guys, I'll show you something new. Huawei Sound Joy. नहीं So no Huawei Sound. Huawei Sound Joy co-engined with Devialet portable stylish design 79 dBA at the rate 2M developed quad speakers 26-hour playbacks 26-hour playback free the music and comfort ready for the travel and freedom with Huawei Sound Joy. Take a hold of the hand strap, put the ultra portable design in your backup or cycle bottle catch and get ready for a new adventure in music. So colorful stylish design choose from the two ready for anything colors obtain black and striped green. So this is the glow flow light your favorite tunes with the multi color ring on Huawei Sound Joy. See a volume level to track battery life according finally. So with the made of the right stuff, the special woven fabric in case Huawei Soundjoy offer a standout dynamic look and ensure a more comfortable touch. It is also provides routable rugs protections for all out extension and import led sound is isolated as they meant to be had. Certified is IPA water Huawei Sound Joy can wash just about any weather conditions you can throw and as well staying protected in up to 1 meter. So here the sound the sound with debuilt go bigger Huawei Sound Joy features Huawei Sound Joy features loud 79 dBA at the rate 2M development two-way speaker sound system and 4 divides to SAM signal and output pressure. The Twitter signing travel fill every corner of the party. So high and low, the 20 W carbon fiber fabric diaphragm, the 20 W range speaker employment uh, injured fabric diaphragm help based frequency as low 50 Hz minus 10 dB resound memories. Oh, 10W silk down tweeters turned developed from exponential creativity. Even the high volume the silk 10-watt breeder offer frequencies up to 20 kHz and 10 B. Give more life to your music. Play the long sound. Keep music going to meters how you travel with the 26 or continuously Bluetooth playback. Single charge and the 8800 mAh battery. 26-hour backups, battery backups, move fast charger, 40 watt, super fast charging, let your power to fly short 10 minute charging. The Joy from Bluetooth 5.2, higher, longer, more stable, sound smarter, stereo sound in a shake. Led to become one by simply shaking. So thank you for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.